than excited. A couple weeks ago, I went to visit my family, and they're in the Virginia Beach area, so they had an event down at the beach, and I was able to meet an amazing woman who is with a makeup brand called Beauty Couture. And if you guys do not know what that is, it is a healthy brand, and they are all about creating a healthy brand of makeup without all the chemicals in it, and actually going, they have gone to DC for trying to ban different bad ingredients in makeup. So anyway, it's just been fun to kind of learn more about that. So I met Dana, and she was so kind and sent me a package in the mail with full of makeup for me to try, and I wanted to try and test it here. What I'm going to do is open this box, see what's in there, try it out for like a week, and then get back to you and see how I am liking it and how it wears, and just give you guys some feedback. I know a lot of you guys out there are looking for clean makeup brands, so I am trying this out to see what I love about it and how it wears. So let's just get right into it. Looks like a pretty full box of goodies. Certification card. B is for benefit. We're proud to be a certified B Corporation, part of a global movement of brands using business as a force of positive change. Okay, so looks like we got a Skin Twin Featherweight Foundation little sample test with different colors. She wrote a note because the color we thought I would be, she didn't have, so I'm going to be trying that out. That looks exciting. Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer. This does have broad spectrum 20 in it. A sunscreen. She said that this was very smooth. She really enjoyed it. This looks like a charcoal facial mask. Reflect Effect AHA smoothing facial mask. A lot of different little facial mask things, and vitamin C serum and stuff like that. Oh, I'm getting to big stuff. Looks like I got a beautiful lip gloss. That is so pretty. I can't wait to try that. The packaging is like so pretty. Makes me want to put it on right now. She sent me this Cheeky Clean cream blush. I saw these at her booth, and they were not cheap. Like, she is so kind to send me a full size of this. Oh my, it's a cute little white container with a little button, and I read, like, I think you can just pop this out. You can keep the container, and then you just pop it out when you want to replace it and you run out. That is so pretty. Doesn't smell like anything. Ooh, got a Glow First Priming Serum. That sounds nice. Oh my, so pretty. Oh my goodness. That looks so pretty. That's really cool. It looks like there's a little bit of a shimmer in it. Very pretty package, and that is a, like, I think this is a full size. That is really cool. And I'm excited about this. I talked to her about mascara. I've talked about how no other mascaras work for me. They always like mess with my eyes, so I'm very excited to try this and see how it works out. I'm going to be giving my honest opinion on these things because I am really looking. Let's see, it's called Better Black. And let's see what the tip looks like. Oh, okay, there's the applicator. That looks nice. Looks like a nice consistency. A couple other things here. Lotus Glow, looks like a cream. And then their Lotus Cleansing Glow. So I'll have to look up and see what I do about that. So here's a little pamphlet. It says, did you know that since World War II, 80,000 chemicals have been introduced into our personal care industry, while only approximately 10,000 of those chemicals have ever been tested for human safety. Your skin is your largest organ. Studies show that over 80% of what we put on our skin goes into our bloodstream. Sadly, within 26 seconds, our skin is potentially absorbing a host of toxic chemicals. Help fight the battle, switch to safer. So they're all about like going to DC and trying to pass these bills that will ban different things. So I do like that. I know that a lot of people can't afford really healthy makeup, and you got to do what you got to do, and it is your choice for what you put on your skin. I'm personally trying to move in a healthier direction. I know that a lot of makeup I still have is not like super healthy. So guys, I will be getting back to you on how I like this, and I will probably just add it to this video. So keep watching to see the results. Hey everybody, I'd like to start off by saying welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a minute since I put out a video. But today I'd like to just share with you my thoughts on the products from Beautycounter that I was testing out. So stay tuned. So I'm just going to start with the products that I really enjoyed and really worked well with my skin, and then move on to the products that I was less excited about and did not work so well for me. So to start off, I will say that I got a little tester amount of Lotus Glow serum, and it's just like it's a lotion kind of product. It's very light. I actually have it on my skin right now. It makes your skin look very dewy and feel very fresh. So I really enjoyed that. She also gave me a Lotus Glow cleanser, which you can put on and then you can wash off, or you can kind of put it on and leave it as a mask for a few minutes and then wash it off. So I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed the Glow First priming serum. That was amazing, and I'll go ahead and put that on now, because while I am talking about these products, I thought that I would just take you along and do my makeup. So that priming serum is really nice. It just is very light. I really enjoy light things on the skin that don't feel heavy, and that was definitely amazing. The other thing that I do like was their mineral sunscreen lotion that I tried, and I'll just put a little bit of that on as well. I tend to burn right here in the T-zone, so putting a little bit of that sunscreen in that area is nice to protect, and it's nice to know that it's a mineral healthy sunscreen. Another product I did enjoy was their Reflect Effect AHA Smoothing Facial Mask. So I just used that once, and it was very cool. It was like gel-like, and then it had little grainy sand in it. Not sand, probably salt or something, but it really helped to remove dead cells and everything on my skin, and felt really nice. Today I'm just going in with my Rare Beauty foundation. Sorry, my voice is a little scratchy. I think I'm getting a little allergy thing or cold or something. So another thing that I tried and really enjoyed was their All Bright C Serum. Oh my goodness. Their All Bright C Serum was amazing. It felt so beautiful on the skin. They say here, brighten up with this game-changing serum. The ultra-potent 10% blend of 2 forms of vitamin C, turmeric and camu instantly brightens the skin and helps even skin tone. The antioxidant-rich formula also helps defend skin from damaging effects of environmental stressors, revealing a more youthful-looking complexion. So I really enjoyed it. They say it feels like sunshine in a bottle. It really does. Felt just amazing on my skin, and it's like bright yellow, so it's like really cool from the turmeric. So anyway, that was something I really enjoyed. Another thing I really enjoyed from them was their mattifying powder. That was really nice on the skin. It really evened out everything, gave it a really airbrushed look. It helped with makeup transfer under the eyes, that it did not do that as much. Like if the makeup fell down, it just kind of brushed off nicely. So that was really good. On to one of my favorite things that I was sent was their Cheeky Clean Cream Blush. It is creamy, so I just rub my finger in it like this. And when it goes on, it's pretty bright, but it really shears out, and it's very buildable. So I love the feel of this. It lasted a long time on my skin throughout the day, And see that? It's just shearing right out. And I feel like it just kind of melts into your skin. Cute. Very beautiful. I'm a fan. Setting the eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Gonna put that all over my face. Okay, now I've got this Lancome eyeshadow palette. Good old faithful. Gonna just dip into that pink shade. Go in the crease with that. It's gonna be a warm summer day, so I'm feeling like going with something light and airy. Going in with this gray tone color to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Went under with that gray. Taking this angled brush right here, I'm going to go into this kind of teal shimmery color, and I'm going to just deepen up the outer corners of my eyes. Just define them a little bit. Give them a little bit more definition. Some other things that I did try was their Skin Twin foundation. They did not have my colors, as I did in a different short little video, but she gave me like these top colors here. I'm pretty sure one of these would have matched me more. I'm not even sure. Maybe that one. They look pretty orangey, but they do sheer out pretty good, so I don't know if a darker color would have matched me more. So anyway, the ones that I have left are just way too light for me to try to use and show you what they look like. So anyway, however, they did feel very nice on the skin, made my skin feel just light and breathable. The tinted moisturizer was also very nice. Dew Skin tinted moisturizer. It has broad spectrum SPF 20 in it. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then you know what's next. Bum ba da bum. So I was very excited. She sent me this full size product. It feels heavy and beautiful and all of that. The wand is great. The application is great. I'm just going to show you applying this. And it is buildable. You can build this up. I do several coats on my eyelashes, but that's just one coat. I'm gonna do several coats and then pop back on here. I had this love-hate thing because it is beautiful on my eyelashes and it lengthens them amazingly, but in a few hours, this is all going to be just smudging down underneath my eyes. And I don't know if I'm just a different kind of person. I know that I have watery eyes more than most people, so that's why I try to always go with waterproof mascara. This stuff supposedly has different oils in it that helps with that, but for me, personally, I can't decide to go with this mascara because of just that issue of it smudging down there. No matter how much mattifying powder or setting powder I do wear under my eyes. So that's what it looks like, and I'm actually going to be giving it to my sister-in-law to let her try it out and see what she thinks of it, because she does not wear waterproof mascara, so maybe this will be normal for her and she will enjoy it. A couple of other serums that I did try. It's the Counter Plus Overnight Resurfacing Peel. That was really amazing. At first I was like, peel? What's that gonna do? At night you put it on your face, and then in the morning you wake up and your face is just shiny and dewy, and you can wash it off and your skin just feels so fresh and amazing. I was like, wow, this is really cool stuff. The Countertime Trip Tide Radiant Serum was very nice as well. Very hydrating, and it felt very clean on the skin. Let's see what else. that is all I can think of right now. The other thing that she did give me that I did try and I really enjoyed was their lip gloss, which is very shiny and has a faint sparkle in it. I am all about a little sparkle, so that's it for today, guys. I'm glad you watched. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial slash kind of review on the products that I was sent. However, I cannot judge Beauty Counter and all the products based off of just these few that I've tried. Everything that I tried was really great. So after all of this, I will say I'm still on the search for a healthy mascara that is waterproof, or at least will not flake or smudge. But maybe that is the fate of all mascaras. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. We'll see you next time. We don't know when that will be, but hopefully not too long. Poor brows. They were forgotten.